Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and today I'm standing beside our newest trade-in. This is a 2023 Grady-White 236 Fisherman, loaded with just about every option you can get after the sale. So, starting up front here is option with a windlass anchor, as well as a Minn-Kota trolling motor. Has iPod, keep you on your fishing spot effortlessly all day. Come here towards the boat, notice the SeaV² green hull sides and your stainless steel rub rail. And here working towards the transom, which makes these 236s nice, is these swim platforms come off the back, so when you're at the sandbar, you have somewhere to ease off the boat, away from your outboard, as well as our courtesy lights and trim tabs. Let's step aboard inside the boat and take a look at the features inside. Hey guys, now that we're on the bow of this Grady-White 236 Fisherman, you notice your trolling motor here. If you're not gonna fish for the day, you're just gonna go to the sandbar to the island and hang out. This is on a bracket where you can remove this and get it off the boat so you can enjoy your whole sun pad up here up front. With a backrest that will swivel back and forth to your backrest or fishing room. As well here on the port starboard side, these hatches, as you can see, are insulated with a gasket up here. Keep your drinks cold, maybe an extra fish box if you need. An extra cooler under this seat. As we step back towards the helm, I want to show you where the options really. So starting here, you do have a 16-inch Garmin display, your Garmin VHF, and then there is a satellite antenna up top, so if you get offshore, you can see the weather without having to have the radar. Here under the landing post, you have the landing post live well, and another one on the transom. That's also where your fish box is going to be. So fish box here, that'll keep your catch fresh for the day, and your 8 rocket launchers on the landing post and the hardtop. Stepping back here on the transom deck of the boat. So here I'm on the swim platforms, and if you peek over the side here, you have these coolers out here in the back. So when you're at the island or whatever, you can put your drinks in here and never have to get back in the boat to get to your cooler. Like I said again, guys, my name is Ben Finley, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Thank you. Come see this boat.